Where is my lucky ball?
The big game is tomorrow!
It has to be somewhere.
It is not here! I must throw these! Mom, where is my ball?
I have not seen it, Kim.
I will help you look.
It is not in here either.
I need it for the game.
Biscuit saw something outside.
Throw, catch, not here either.
It is not here either.
Look! Biscuit sees something! Look! Something's moving! What is it? Meow!
Wait, is that my ball? My ball! It's outside! Quick, after that ball!
I'm on it! Let's go!
Whoa, coming through!
Come on, Emma! Hurry!
Come back, my ball!
Let's all look together.
It was right here before!
Look! A little clue!
The squirrel wanted to play too.
Almost! So close! Grab it! Grab it now! I'm trying!
Whoa, watch out!
Over there! Get it!
Oh, I missed the catch!
I will catch it! Almost!
Whoa, it's on the roof!
Go get it, squirrel!
He made it! I can't jump that high!
I think he wants to play. The squirrel wants to play.
The squirrel led them toward the gate.
Hey, give that back! I'm coming for you! He went down the street! I will get my ball back!
Stay together, everyone.
Biscuit knew just where to go.
Let's go to the park. Race you there. Wait for us, squirrel.
To the park! Come on!
Almost got it. Jump over the hedge. Over the hedge.
Oh, it's climbing!
Chitter, chitter.
Hey, that's our ball.
I will throw my cap up. Slowly. Keep going, everyone! Faster! Faster! Woohoo! You throw, I will catch. Come back down here! It is way up high. I can't jump up there. Oh no, it's too high. I will throw this acorn up. It is too high. I can't reach.
The sky grew gray and quiet.
We lost my lucky ball.
I miss my lucky ball, Biscuit.
Meow.
I can't reach it. It's gone. Please don't be sad, Kim. I can't play without my lucky ball. We are here with you, Kim.
Oh, Kim, we are here now.
The ball is not your luck, Kim.
It isn't my luck. You are good because you try. You are all still here. Biscuit, what do you see?
The squirrel felt sorry now.
Look, he is coming down.
It's okay. You can come down. squirrel.
It's all right now. I've got you.
I trust you, little squirrel.
I am ready. You can let go. Here it comes! Get ready! Catch it, Kim! You can catch it! You can catch it! I caught it! I caught my ball!
Hello, little squirrel. Thank you. Thank you. Here, take this acorn.
Hooray! We found the ball!
Well done, all of you.
I didn't need luck after all.
I found my ball and a new friend.
Let's play! To the goal!
Yeah, let's go! Yay, the squirrel's coming! Here I go! Goal! I scored a goal! You scored! Kim!
Great job!
Yeah, Kim, you're the best! Thanks, everyone!
We make a great team.
You are my real luck, friends.
My friends are my lucky charm. Tomorrow is the big game.
Can they win and stay friends?
Throw. Throw. Kim can throw the ball. Catch. Catch. Kim can catch the ball.
Jump. Jump. Kim can jump up high. Bounce. Bounce. The ball can bounce. Score. Score. Kim can score a goal.